Every product you use has a story, and this story begins inside a massive factory. This is where raw materials arrive, inspected carefully before production begins. Each material goes through strict quality checks. Even a small defect is rejected. Once approved, the journey moves forward into full-scale production. Advanced machines work with extreme precision, shaping the product step by step. Robots ensure speed, accuracy, and consistency beyond human limits. Behind every machine, skilled humans control and supervise the process.
Pressure's rising. Adjust the flow. Compensating now. How's the temp? Stable. Monitor the output. Confirmed.
Extreme heat transforms raw materials into usable form. This is the moment where the product takes its final shape. After shaping, the product is cooled and stabilized for durability. Polishing gives the product strength, shine, and perfection. Every unit is tested to meet international quality standards. Before packing, a final human inspection ensures zero compromise. Branding transforms a product into a trusted identity. Automated packaging keeps products safe and ready for shipment. Finished products are stored, waiting to be shipped worldwide. Logistics teams ensure timely delivery to every corner of the market. From factory floors to store shelves, the journey continues. Finally, the product reaches the market, ready for consumers.
This place has everything. These look perfect.
This is not just manufacturing. This is innovation, precision, and dedication.